Do you love your pets but dread the cost of pet care? In today's video, I'm sharing some frugal pet care tips that will keep your pets happy, healthy, and entertained without breaking the bank. Whether you have a dog, cat, or small animal, pet care doesn't have to cost a fortune. I'll show you how to save money on pet food, grooming, toys, and even vet visits. Let's get started. Tip number 1. 1. Pet food and treats can be a huge part of your pet care budget. But did you know you can make your own affordable, healthy pet food and treats at home? You can prepare simple, nutritious meals for your pets using ingredients like chicken, rice, carrots, and sweet potatoes. For treats, try baking homemade biscuits or freezing fruits like bananas for a tasty and healthy snack. Tip number 2. Buying pet supplies like food, litter, or toys in bulk is a great way to save money over time. Check out warehouse stores like Costco or online retailers like Chewy, where you can buy pet food and supplies in large quantities at a discount. You'll save per unit and you won't run out as quickly. Tip number 3. Toys for pets can be expensive, especially if your pet loves to chew and play with toys regularly. You can make pet toys yourself using inexpensive materials. For example, use old socks to make DIY tug-of-war toys, or create puzzle feeders from cardboard boxes to keep your pet mentally stimulated without spending money on store-bought toys. Tip number 4. Professional grooming can cost a lot, especially if you have long-haired pets. But you can learn to groom your pet at home and save a lot of money. Invest in a good pair of clippers or brushes, and watch tutorial videos online to learn how to bathe, trim nails, and groom your pet. Regular brushing also reduces shedding, keeping your home cleaner and saving you on cleaning supplies. Tip number 5. Vet visits are necessary, but preventative care can help you avoid costly health issues down the line. Keep up with your pet's vaccinations, flea and tick prevention, and regular checkups to prevent more serious health problems. Many vet offices also offer wellness packages that cover routine care for a discounted rate. Tip number 6. Medications and flea treatments for pets can be quite expensive, but there are ways to reduce the cost without compromising on quality. Ask your vet if they can prescribe generic versions of medications or recommend over-the-counter alternatives. You can also shop around at discount pharmacies or online retailers for cheaper options. 7. Instead of buying expensive pet beds, you can create a cozy spot for your pet with things you already have around the house. Repurpose old blankets or pillows to create a comfy sleeping area for your pet. Use soft fabric scraps to make DIY beds or even upcycle an old suitcase into a stylish pet lounge. Tip number 8. Pet insurance can be a great way to save on medical bills, but it's important to shop around for the best deal. Compare different pet insurance companies and look for any discounts. You might find a plan that offers the same coverage at a lower cost, or you could opt for a high-deductible plan that costs less per month. Tip number 9. If you need a pet sitter or walker, hiring a professional can be costly, but there are other ways to save. Consider using pet sitting or walking exchange programs like Rover or WAG, where you can trade services with others in your area. You can also reach out to friends or family who love animals and may be willing to help out at a lower cost. Tip number 10. Adopting a pet from a shelter can save you hundreds of dollars, and it provides a loving home for an animal in need. Consider adopting from your local shelter or rescue organization. The adoption fees are typically much lower than buying from breeders, and many shelters include vaccinations, spaying, and neutering in the adoption fee. I hope these frugal pet care tips help you save money while keeping your pets healthy and happy. What are some of your favorite ways to save on pet care? Share your tips in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more frugal living advice, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up.